guys, on Wild Chuco. Left the great big ones for a while. I'm going to try this out. Starting with the 1, and we'll do a $5 bet. Alright, and I'm going to go to the 2 cent. We're going to do 5 and then 10. All right, 10. Oh, I got the bonus. I've never had that on here. Get the money bags. All right, let's see what happens. All right, press start feature. Here we go. Oh, come on, Chuco. Come on, Wild Chuco. Ooh, almost a re-trigger. Ooh, that's a big. I wish I dropped it. Come on. Alright. I finally got a bonus on this thing where it dropped the 3 money bags.
Yeah, what's that thing do? That's weird. I don't remember that.
And last spin on that. See what it did. Alright. Got something out of it anyway. Yes, we did. Take a couple back up and move on. Oh, almost a re-trigger. Alright, got to change the denomination. Welcome back, Crunch 5. Alright, now, 375 I think it was. Come on, guys, think positive. We want to get some more built up and go back. Come on. Ooh. Alright. 6 1/4. That major's beautiful. Alright, this one's $12.50, I believe. Alright, Chuco. And here we go on 5 on a dime. Oh, we just missed it. Okay, moving on to 750. $12.50. Come on, Chuco. Alright. Oh! It gives you those free games I was just in. Alright. That was 10 cents. Here's Crunch reaching his arm. I did that.
For next set of games in our Hooping Up promotion, and if you're playing on the floor, you should keep your passport cards in your machine. Fill the promotion payment there, the winners. Good luck.
Oh, look at that number right there.
Yep.
Dang.
Back to the 2 cent. We'll give it a shake again. As soon as I figure out what I want to do, we'll do the 5. Here's the 10. Alright, nothing there. Where'd he go? Running off on me. Alright. Yay! Boni! Alright, on 375, here we go. Come on, Chuco, drop them. Come on now. Drop? No, last spin. There we go. Drop, 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 drop. No, drop.
She's being ornery. Come on. There you go. Thank you.
Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, good money. Good money. Come on, Chico. You can do it. Not gonna
Some
break
more.
your
Come
bank.
on, come on.
See what's got money.
Last
Come on.
spin.
Come on.
All right, all right,
Let's see
all
how it
right.
goes.
Got 10 of them. We'll see what it
Some
did.
nickels. I got no idea what you got.
We'll find out.
I picked up a mini for $50. I know that much.
I know. Here we go. We're gonna get it in there. All right, not bad, not bad. 125. We're over 100. All right, all right, all right. Now with your bad self. All right, Chuco. That's a small bank robbery. All
That's pretty
right.
different from your 75 days.
Yeah, we'll take it. All right, a couple backups, and then we move on. Oh.
Uh-huh.
All right. Where was I? I was on that one. Okay. 6 1/4. I wish I'd get those free games on that.
That'd be cool. Oh,
Hey, finally.
yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, I see 2,500 up on that board. Drop those balls.
Yeah.
Let's do it. 1. Yeah. Come on, more, more, more. There you go. And again. Nope. All right. Let's do it again. It's not going. There we go. Come on, drop it. You made me work for it. And again. Come on. Come on, Chuco.
Come on.
And again. Come on. Last spin. All right. We got 9. It's all right. Here we go. All right. Not bad, not bad. 275. Pretty good win. All right, there we go. This button's crazy. There we go. 1. Just 2 on that. Whew, that was some work on that. All right.
$12.50.
All right, here we go. On Chuco. Dime.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh.
Free game feature. Here we go.
Oh,
Yahoo!
he yelled, doesn't he?
He does. He likes a good old-fashioned bank robbery. Do you have patrol on you, I hope? Because I don't know where he is. It's like he just took off and didn't tell anybody.
He did.
Come on, Chuco.
Oh my God.
I have no idea. Don't know.
Oh
I have
my
no
God.
idea. But it's upstairs. It's upstairs. It's got to be good.
It's got a screen. It's got a screen of 9. Let's see how much. Oh.
Let's see where it goes.
What it goes.
There it is. Oh, wow.
9:30.
9:30. Wow. We would have been sitting there all night. All right. Come on now, Chuco. That was nice. Retrigger? Alright, some safes. That was beautiful. Nice. How much was that grunge? 953?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take a couple backup. That was a nice line pay. Alright, so we're going to move on over. Come on. Get a bet on that. Nope, kings. He won't let me. All right.
What do you want to do? Do you want to do 25? Go ahead.
I want a bonus on that thing's what I want. Oh, almost. That would have been exciting. All right.
Want to go into more? Or you want?
You want to move around somewhere else?